现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, welcome for another Hakka song here on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin. Here comes a song from Dondon that's titled Yenfang Ke Gusang, and that means distant drums. In fact, there are a lot of drum beats that are featured throughout the song. Now, this symbolizes the Hakka people's affection for their mother tongue, which follows them throughout their travels like the beat of a drum. And the drum beat is also like a heartbeat, reminding young Hakka people of the people who came before them and of their roots. Let's take a listen.
Hakka 3年，佢用這一生年的時間，一千個傳說中的故事。佢爬過最高的山，舔過最深的彩虹的故事，到底在哪裡？突然之間，嘅遠方嘅故鄉有響起，天天出現的山路，全都壓尾。嘅遠方嘅故鄉有響起，同愛從愛未來，遠方的故鄉。
哇，好多远方的鼓声，对不对？这首歌就叫做《远方的鼓声》，就是远方的鼓声。整个贯穿全曲的鼓声啊，就是代表着客家情感所系的母语，还有客家年轻人远渡重洋，追寻一阵一阵的鼓声，爬过高山，越过大海的感觉。而且鼓声呢，还有代表心跳声的意思哦，要来提醒客家年轻人不要忘记自己的根。Alright, what a traditional song about the roots of Hakka. I hope you like it. That does it for today's Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.